Have you ever stopped to think about what keeps your heart beating, your muscles moving, and your brain firing on all cylinders? These vital functions rely on a delicate balance of nutrients, and among the most critical are potassium and vitamin B12. Potassium, an electrolyte mineral, acts like an electrical conductor in our bodies. It helps maintain fluid balance, regulates blood pressure, and ensures our muscles and nerves communicate effectively. Without enough potassium, our bodies can start to malfunction, leading to fatigue, muscle cramps, and even heart rhythm disturbances. Vitamin B12 is crucial for energy production, DNA synthesis, and the formation of red blood cells. When vitamin B12 levels dip, we may experience fatigue, weakness, and neurological problems. Potassium, often overlooked, is a mineral that plays a crucial role in keeping our bodies running smoothly. It acts as an electrolyte, conducting electricity throughout our bodies, much like a conductor in an electrical circuit. This electrical activity is essential for a wide range of bodily functions, from muscle contractions to nerve impulses. Potassium works in conjunction with sodium to regulate the movement of fluids across cell membranes, ensuring our cells function optimally. By counteracting the effects of sodium, potassium helps relax blood vessel walls, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of hypertension. Adequate potassium intake ensures our muscles have the resources they need to perform optimally, whether we're engaging in strenuous exercise or simply going about our daily activities. Vitamin B12, a complex vitamin, is often called the energy vitamin for a good reason. It plays a crucial role in converting the food we eat into usable energy, fueling our cells and keeping us feeling energized throughout the day. Beyond its role in energy production, vitamin B12 is also essential for the formation of red blood cells. A deficiency in B12 can lead to a condition called pernicious anemia, where our bodies cannot produce enough healthy red blood cells, resulting in fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Vitamin B12 helps protect the myelin sheath, a fatty layer that surrounds and insulates nerve fibers, allowing for efficient transmission of nerve impulses throughout the body. Adequate B12 intake ensures that our bodies have the building blocks necessary for these vital functions, promoting cell regeneration and overall well-being. Section 4. Red flags. Recognizing the signs of potassium and B12 deficiency. Potassium deficiency often manifests as a range of muscle-related symptoms. Muscle cramps, especially in the legs, are a common sign that our bodies may be running low on this essential mineral. Fatigue and weakness, even after adequate rest, can also signal a potassium deficiency. In more severe cases, potassium deficiency can lead to heart rhythm disturbances. Vitamin B12 deficiency often presents with a different set of symptoms, including fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Neurological problems like numbness or tingling in the hands and feet, difficulty walking, and cognitive impairment can all signal a deficiency. Section 5. Fueling up. Your guide to potassium and B12-rich foods. By incorporating a variety of potassium-rich fruits, vegetables, and legumes into our meals, we can ensure our bodies have the electrolytes they need for optimal function. Bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes are excellent sources of potassium. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are also rich in potassium. Beans and lentils, packed with protein, fiber, and potassium, are a budget-friendly and nutritious addition to soups, stews, or salads. Vitamin B12, primarily found in animal products, can be incorporated into our diets through lean meats, poultry, fish, and dairy products. Section 6. Striking the right balance. Tips for optimal potassium and B12 intake. Start by incorporating a variety of potassium-rich foods into your daily diet. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, choosing from a rainbow of colors to maximize nutrient intake. Include potassium-rich snacks such as bananas, avocados, or a handful of almonds between meals. If you're concerned about your vitamin B12 intake, talk to your doctor about getting your levels checked. For those following a vegan or vegetarian diet, incorporating fortified foods or B12 supplements is crucial for preventing deficiency. By making mindful choices about the foods we eat, we can support our body's functions and promote long-term health and well-being.